Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Kraken. For that, you need to launch your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to type kraken.com. This will land you on the official website of Kraken where you just have to log in into your account. Now by default, you will be on this home page, but you will have to click on the explore button in the left hand section. Here you will be given a bunch of different cryptocurrencies that you can purchase on Kraken. As you can see over here that you can purchase 238 assets on Kraken. Now over here you need to select Bitcoin. After selecting it, you will be able to see its chart where you will be able to see its current price. So over here you need to scroll down and then tap on this buy button. After tapping on buy, you are going to see this type of pop-up in front of you where you will have to enter the amount that you want to spend in order to purchase Bitcoin. After that, you need to select the payment method. So over here, you will be given a bunch of different payment methods like debit card, credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, etc. So you just have to choose any of the payment methods, and after that, you need to press the review button in the bottom. Then it will show you the information that you have mentioned previously, like the BTC price and the payment method that you have selected, amount, and it will also show you the fees that you need to pay. So you need to review the information, and if everything is correct, you need to check this box, and after that you need to press the confirm button. This way you will be able to easily buy Bitcoin on Kraken. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.